You want to show your grandma how you eat? Ready? So these are some prunes because Sammy's a little constipated today and yesterday. Ready? Open! 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 Yes! What do you think? Should we clean up your lips? Give you a little more? Here. Mmm. What do you think? Should we wash it down with some juice? Is that good? Mmm.